Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to the supermarket to see what minimum wage can get us in Jamaica. The current minimum wage is now 13,000 per week. So let's see what we can get for a family of 3. First up, we're adding the kids. We're adding juice for the kids, for the child, juice for the child, Lasco, and tin feeding. Pampers is a must. So we are shopping for somebody who have a baby, which is me. So we're buying Milestone, almost $2,000. Diapers, case of juice, Lasco. For breakfast, we're buying some Milo. Buy the small one. I must work on minimum wage budget. So one Milo and a milk, some crackers. So box milk, well, not some, box milk. We're working with $13,000. Some drink mix. $13,000, only a bit low. Can we survive on $13,000 per week? Then we're gonna buy some eggs for breakfast. And some macaroni and cheese. Some butter, cook the rice, put on the bread, and some salt. Salt is a must. You have to borrow salt for your neighbor. Next goes the important rice. Since we can't buy yam too expensive, so we buy the rice. Can you imagine we grow yam, but yam more expensive than rice. We have to get some sugar as well. And I'm buying some barbecue sauce, mambo sauce. You ever tried this sauce before? It looked nice, but I don't know. Spicy. So having some mackerel, Jamaica's national dish. It's not ackee and sawfish, it's a white rice with tin mackerel. So adding some jack mackerel. A little juice.
Actually, I lookable.
With a bowl of it sweet up the mouth, and we can't leave out the cooking oil, and some frankfurters. And that's it. You're the cashier around the bill. So let's see how much we've spent. I wanna buy tissue and meat yet, by the way. And our total is $12,149. So tell me now, can we survive on minimum wage, which is $13,000 per week? I wanna buy meat and tissue yet. Comment below your shopping bill total for the week and let's compare.